It was real dark in the berry patch. But Kaylee and Kyle were on the case. They were going to get to the bottom of this monster mystery.
When out of the bushes came a horrible sound.
Just like the legend warned.
First, you hear the noise. Then you feel the heat of the rancid breath of 7 noses. Then...
the slobbering of 7 tongues. Its teeth were long and glistened in the moonlight.
Beady eyes and 14 flaring nostrils. There is no escape from this monster in the berry patch.
Monster in the berry patch? Why did we ever decide to visit Berry Bitty City? I thought you said it was peaceful here.
Welcome to Berry Bitty City and the Marketplace Cafe. Would you like a table?
No thanks. Lost our appetite. Huh? Can't get out of here fast enough. Do you know they have a monster in Berry Bitty City? It has 7 noses and 7 teeth and long tongues that glisten in the moonlight.
I heard that the whole town is packing up and evacuating.
My word, it's worse than we thought. Better steer clear of Berry Bitty City.
Oh, yes. Wonderful.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh? Well, why not, Sour?
Oh, nothing really. Just that, well, my sister Sweet and I have a much better tale to tell.
We do?
Don't you remember?
Remember what?
Our way more awesome, incredibly dangerous, and gigantically exciting adventure than they had story?
Let's hear it. Ooh.
Can't wait.
Do tell. Wait a minute. Shouldn't we write something out first? And, maybe practice?
Nah, just relax. Make it up as you go along, like you're cooking.
I do not make up my cooking as I go along. I follow the recipe exactly.
Yeah, I've noticed. A real chef knows how to improvise.
Did I hear someone say something about topping our stories?
You did indeed. Take it.
Huh? Well, once upon a time, a long, long time ago, there were 2 little girls named Sweet and Sour, and they...
Can you give it just a little more punch?
Punch?
You know, sock. Zip, sizzle, pizzazz. Here, watch. What my sister meant to say was, this is the story of something that happened to us a long time ago. But not long enough. It's burned everlastingly into our memory.
It is? I mean, it was?
Help me out here, will you, Sweet?
Yes. Yes, it was. I mean, is. Last ever, what she said.
It makes me tremble to think of that night. That dark, dangerous night in very deep, dark forest.
Is there some other reason you don't want to go camping?
It's just... Aren't there creepy creatures in the woods at night? Creepy creatures?
What gave you that idea, Lemon?
From a book of spooky stories Blueberry gave me. Those were fairy tales. Fictional. As in, not real. It should be fine out there. In the dark, still woods.
Maybe Lemon's got something there. We could go get some peace and quiet at the Berry Bitty Dale Inn. I hear they serve a mean breakfast buffet.
I'm in. We've been camping at night before. It's always been fun. Listen, I have an idea. Remember how much fun we had on our relay race and treasure hunt? Let's make the Creepy Woods into a challenge. We have 3 tents. Let's break into 3 groups and see which group is brave enough to camp out the longest.
too. I love an adventure.
Lemon, you and I can share a tent. We'll be Team 1. Tent Lemonberry.
Plum? Team 2 rocks. We'll be Tent Berry, Plummy, and Orangey. Raspberry, Cherry, we're Team 3. Tent Very Tough.
All right.
This is gonna be so very fun.
We'll show them what Team 3 is made of.
Well, okay. It's on.
I'm so very glad you decided to have a special Style Under the Stars hair extravaganza.
I can't think of a more thrilling way to spend an evening.
Oh boy, I just can't wait to see how my hair will turn out. It's so super exciting. Raspberry, when I'm done with you, your hair will be completely different. Excitement? Thrills? I'm here for the relaxation. Oh, I've had a busy week.
Lemon? I think someone switched off the lights. Well, it's on. Well, the dryers are off too. I would conclude we have a power failure on our hands.
It's dark everywhere. In here and, out there too.
Oh, something must have happened at the Berry Works. I better go over and see if I can help out. Everything was going simply swell until all of a sudden, it wasn't. We were stuck in the mud. Ugh. We weren't stuck. We were sinking. And this wasn't mud. It was a bottomless pit of very quicksand. There was only one thing to do. The danger was over, but only for the moment. It would not be over until I got the truck out of there. Ugh. Ugh. But even with my magnificently muscle-toned strength, it wouldn't budge. I was facing a serious problem, and then I had it. I would go for help. Uh-oh, I'd have to go for help fast. If the vine broke, the truck would sink, and the Berrykins would go to bed without any dinner. Oh yeah, and I'd never see my sister again. And so I set off alone. One girl against the wilderness. I think it will be fabulous fun to sleep under the stars. We don't need the tent unless...
Unless what?
You know, if there might be, or like, if any kind of, well, if a sort of creepy kind of creature happened to be around.
Now, we can't think like that or we'll never win the challenge. We're gonna be the bravest of the brave, are we not?
Sure, but some distraction would be nice. How about we sing a campfire song?
It might hear us. It?
Maybe we should turn out the light so it doesn't see us.
Hey, what happened to that light? Don't worry, boy. We'll just follow this path.
This is the life. It is...
Want to roast marshmallows?
Okay, sure. Anything to take my mind off. Whatever might be out there. In the dark.
Help me find some sticks for the marshmallows.
Okay. Here's a good one.
What did you say?
Oh, Strawberry, I'm certain I just saw a creepy creature pass by a minute ago.
Are you certain?
Sort of certain.
A creepy creature. Well, what did it look like?
Well, I didn't really see it, I guess.
Could it have been something else? Like maybe still a creature, but not a creepy one? For example, could it have been a bunny rabbit?
Oh. Yes, I suppose it could have been a creature that is not creepy. Perhaps.
Well then, let's get roasting. Say, where did the marshmallows go? Pupcake! Hannah! Did you take the marshmallows? They didn't take them. Weird.
Yeah. Weird.
I keep telling you, fingers in ears, la la la. There goes your audience.
I'd heard better music the day I pogo stick to town with an accordion tied to my head. I was so out of there. Or so I thought.
No. Don't go.
Show's just starting.
We're just warming up.
Here, we'll do one of our biggest requests. And a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Come back! You gotta hear the next verse.
What do you think the Galumphilot will do next? What if it's hungry for food? Food? Do you think it likes food that tastes like us? I've never read anywhere that Galumphilats eat something like us. But I've also never read that they wouldn't eat something like us. That sounds like it came from Orange's store! The Galumphilot security trap I put outside my store! I must have caught one.
Pinky and the ponytails weren't going to catch me. Not this graduate of the Berry Bitty Correspondence School of Super Heroics.
know. We love to play the great outdoors. The other day, Patty pretended she was a tree. I said, then why don't you make like a tree and leave? And a 1, 2, 3, 4!
Row, row, row your boat, row, row, row.
Well, there I was. No way to escape. I was doomed.
Scouty, I feel like this is where we started. Are you leading us in circles? What's that? It's the other pups! Finally! We found you! We were lost too! Hooray! Huh? Scouty? What's wrong with you guys?
We better head back. Let's call it a tie, and we can all share the Berry Bitty banana chips.
Yay! I'm starving! What's wrong with the pups? So that's where they were sneaking off to the whole time. Our treasure is gone.
Oh, no, it's not. It's right here. Let's go back to the cafe, and I'll make a fresh batch of Berry Bitty banana chips.
Everyone listen up, hear my proclamation about taking dreams seriously. Erase your fears, don't worry about perfection. All that matters is what you believe. Feel inspired, learn, ask a million questions. Be the very best you can be, yeah. Just imagine all the possible directions. Let's make history. Say it loud and be proud. Go on, raise your voice and shout it out. Say it loud, make your sound. You gotta always stand your ground beyond any doubt. Say it loud.
Okay, so each team has a pen and paper for writing clues? And you all have your secret treasures? So how this treasure hunt works is, each team will write 3 clues. The first clue will lead to the location of the second, and so on. At each location, you will find a secret treasure. Whichever team finds the secret treasures first will win the jackpot, which is back in town, waiting. Just so we don't get in each other's way, why doesn't my team go this way? And Blueberry, your team could go that way.
Good idea, Strawberry.
Okay. We will have 1 hour to hide clues and treasure, and we'll gather back here afterwards. And then we can begin the treasure hunt.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Berrykin Bloom. Well, your roses look very lovely this year. As usual.
You just might win again, as usual.
Thank you, Lemon Meringue, Strawberry Shortcake. Here, Strawberry, your flowers might want some water before the day gets any hotter.
Why, thank you.
Those are beautiful, Lemon. I think that this year your flowers are going to be the ones to beat.
Oh, no. You can't mean my violets stand a chance against your award-winning roses.
Oh, I'm telling no lies. You could win the first prize.
You're so kind to say so. First prize. And now, to the individual who has toiled from sunrise to sunset, growing the most perfect flowers, I award first prize to Lemon Meringue.
Are you coming in?
We were worried about you. You've been out here for hours. I'll be right there, soon as I tuck them in for the night. Good night. See you in the morning.
That should do it. All right, here, let's get everything cleaned up. Oops. I think I left my Skittle Jinx by the cable Q joint. What was that? Huh?
Come here, you gotta see this. Everything's going crazy. I don't believe it. Come here, you gotta see this.
Yeah, okay. Stop shoving, would you? What are you talking about? Were you eating toast?
No, it attacked me.
Oh, you were attacked by a piece of toast.
Well, Ed, I'm only telling you what happened. I don't know how she can stand it.
Who can stand what?
Strawberry can stand working in a cafe that's, haunted.
Haunted? There's no such thing, Earl. Eesh, you and your fancy imagination.
Well, Ed, I'm only telling you what...
Yeah. We got work to do. Come on. You made me leave my Skittle Jinx behind again.
Well, Ed, I didn't mean to... Wait for me!
You stay up there.
Chin up, let's strut our stuff. That sweater is so style, so chicish. Oh, so you.
Okay, Scouty, let's see what you can do. Good boy. That's it. Now, how to get you to do the same thing without using the doggy biscuits? A mystery indeed. Whoa, where are you going? Wait, slow down. Ouch! Where are you going? Whoa! Help! Oh! Wait, I think if I go under and if you go over... Ouch! Hold on, Scouty. Stop pulling! Sorry, excuse me.
What's going on?
Oh, hi, Huck. Take a look at your competition.
We are one of a kind, unique in special ways. Like snowflakes, we're all different, but deep down we're the same. Find your light inside and let it shine. 'Cause we're all stars, we're very special girls. Be a friend, do your part. Let's brighten up the world.
Must be a malfunction in the juice pipe junction over in Berry Bitty City. We'll have to go over there to start the repair. Better keep the baby berrykins here until we get the power back on.
Have no fear. I am here, ready to take charge and fix this problem. Now, everyone, follow me.
Come on, Mr.
The problem is not over there. It's at the juice pipe junction.
Oh, yes. I was going to suggest we check there, too.
So sorry, Lemon. My poor violets. What could have happened?
It's certainly a mystery. We'll find out how it happened.
But who would do such a thing?
Who? You think someone took your violets?
A flower thief.
Oh, good morning, Miss Meringue. You're here early today.
So are you.
Good morning, Mr. Bloom. How are you? Lemon?
Oh, my. Oh, me. Is that sadness I see?
Lemon's had a misfortune, Mr. Bloom. One of her violets went missing.
Oh, no. But how?
We don't know.
Oh, that's so sad for you. Now I feel bad, too.
I'm sure you do.
Let's take a walk and look around. Listen to the pretty sounds, the great outdoors. Let's go explore. The world is your playground. There's something new around every bend. On a treasure hunt with my friends. When the sun comes up, a new day begins. The fun never ends. It's a beautiful, lovely, wonderful day. Come and enjoy the view. It's a beautiful, lovely, wonderful day. There's nothing I'd rather do than be with you. La 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 la, la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna be with you.
Welcome, everyone, to this year's Berry Bitty Buggy Derby. You're all going to have a wonderful time. So please, help me welcome the official Berry Bitty Buggy Derby drivers. Ladies, allow me to present our esteemed Derby drivers.
Oh no, they've forgotten how to do the introduction. Oh yeah, I remember now.
Thanks, Blueberry.
Phew. Almost done. I bet she forgot.
And with this traditional ceremonial Derby scepter, I hereby declare that the Derby has begun. I can't believe you whipped up these dresses for us so quickly, Raspberry. They're beautiful.
And so fancy.
Gee, well, thank you. I mean, it's just what I do. Where's Blueberry? What's she wearing?
A lot of notes.
Huh?
Good evening, Mr. Bumblebee. My, you're looking well this evening.
Well, thank you, Blueberry. You're also looking...
Offer to shake hands. Oh, yeah.
Blueberry, what are you doing?
Good
evening, Miss Pudding. My, you're looking well this evening.
That's what you said to the postmaster.
It's me, Plum. I just want to have the best manners possible, so everything goes well. For the princess, don't you think you're overdoing it just a little bit? When it comes to good manners, there's no such thing as overdoing it. Hi, Berry Kitten Bloom. Don't forget to shake hands. Huh? This is the derby ball, after all. We have to be proper. Raspberry, it's impolite not to wait your turn.
But, Jadybug told me to go ahead of her because she's still deciding.
No. No bad manners at this ball. Orange, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just going to rest a second. I was dancing my feet off out there.
But you're slouching. That's not good manners. It isn't?
Oh, it's okay. No one can see me.
But somebody might. And what if it's the princess? There, perfect. Psst. Plum, is your napkin in your lap?
Yes?
Don't chew with your mouth open.
Wasn't going to.
No elbows on the table.
Do you see them on the table?
Be sure not to slurp your tea.
Anything else?
Yes, sit up straight.
Hey, where's Blueberry?
She's busy.
Minding everybody else's manners.
What's that?
Well, you see, she's been running around correcting everyone's manners whenever they make a mistake. She corrected me before I even made a mistake.
She really needs to relax. Hi there, Blueberry. Enjoying the ball? Well, no. Why not? Oh, Strawberry, I'm just so worried someone is going to offend the princess with bad manners. I think you should just try to have fun. You don't need to worry about how things are going. Okay. Just as soon as I finish the chapter on the salad fork, the misunderstood utensil.